Pause up, curious minds. Welcome to Curious Logos. I'm Binglet Wags. And today, we're going on a walk. Not around the block. Not to the park. But across billions of kilometers of space. 8 planets. 1 powerful star. And some of the strangest worlds you'll ever sniff out. Here's today's big question. What is the solar system, and why is it so incredible? Let's zoom out and explore our cosmic neighborhood. The solar system is made up of 8 planets and many other celestial objects that all orbit around the same star. The Sun. Starting closest to the Sun, the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Beyond the planets, there are asteroid belts, dwarf planets, icy objects, and distant regions that mark the outer edges of our system. At the center of it all is the Sun, which has a diameter of 1.4 million kilometers, and contains almost all the mass in the entire solar system. More than 99.8%, to be exact. Yeah, the Sun is basically the heavyweight champion of our neighborhood. And its massive gravity is what keeps planets, moons, and other objects locked into their paths. Our solar system lives inside the Milky Way galaxy, a giant spiral filled with billions of stars. We're located in a region called the Orion Spur, about 27,000 light-years from the center of the galaxy. Which means, even our home is just one tiny part of something much bigger. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, but it's not the hottest. During the day, temperatures soar. At night, they plunge to freezing extremes. That's because Mercury has almost no atmosphere to trap heat. Same planet, fire days, ice nights, no thank you. On to the next planet, Venus, which is the hottest planet in the solar system, even hotter than Mercury. Its thick atmosphere traps heat like a giant greenhouse, making the surface incredibly hot. And here's the wild part. On Venus, one day is longer than 1 year. The planet spins so slowly that it finishes orbiting the Sun before it finishes one full rotation. Imagine celebrating your birthday before the Sun even sets once. Now let's see my favorite planet and our home. Earth. So far it's the only planet we know that supports life. It sits in just the right zone for liquid water. Not too hot. Not too cold. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered in water, which helps regulate temperature and makes life possible. Out of all the planets we know, this one really feels like it was made for us. The last of the rocky planets is Mars, also called the Red Planet. And it's full of extremes. It's home to Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the entire solar system. It's about 3 times taller than Mount Everest, and so wide it could cover entire countries. Mars also experiences dust storms so large they can cover the entire planet. That's not a volcano. That's a planetary flex. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It's so big that in terms of volume, more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Also, it's the heaviest of them all. Even if we add up the masses of the other planets, Jupiter would still be 2.5 times heavier. Jupiter is also famous for the Great Red Spot, a massive storm that's been raging for over 300 years. A storm older than modern science. That's impressive and a little scary. Saturn is known for its beautiful rings, made of ice, rock, and dust. It is the planet with the most moons in our solar system, with 274 natural satellites. But here's a strange fact. Saturn is the least dense planet in the solar system. If you had a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float. Do not try this experiment at home. We are almost done, Let's see Uranus, which is a frost giant that spins on its side. It's tilted so much that its poles can experience decades of continuous sunlight followed by decades of darkness. Also, it's one of the coldest planets we know. Imagine summer that lasts 20 years. Neptune is the farthest major planet from the Sun, and it has the fastest winds ever recorded. Some reach over 2,000 kilometers per hour. That's more than 5 times stronger than the strongest winds on Earth. Scientists think Neptune's extreme cold reduces friction, letting winds reach these unbelievable speeds. That's not a breeze. That's the planet screaming. About 4.6 billion years ago, the solar system formed from a giant cloud of gas and dust. Gravity pulled the material inward, creating a spinning disk. At the center, the Sun was born. Over time, leftover material clumped together, forming planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. What we see today is the result of billions of years of motion, gravity, and cosmic patience. The solar system is enormous, mysterious, and still full of questions. Every planet tells a different story, and we're only just beginning to understand them. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just standing on Earth. You're riding a planet, orbiting a star, inside a galaxy that's still unfolding. Thanks for exploring with me. I'm Bing Let Wags, and I'll see you in the next curiosity adventure. Pause down,